Hi everyone! In this video, we will walk you through how Kynetics and Toradex empower automotive software developers with a complete platform that combines high-performance hardware with an embedded Android development toolkit tailored for automotive applications such as infotainment, connectivity, and control systems. At the hardware level, we rely on the Toradex SMARC development carrier board, which hosts the Toradex SMARC i.MX95 system on module, exposes all the key interfaces required for automotive development. It offers dual Ethernet, USB 3.0, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, multiple display outputs like HDMI and LVDS, audio support, and CAN bus connectivity. These capabilities enable rapid prototyping of infotainment, connectivity, and control systems directly on real hardware. And Kynetics enhances this hardware with the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit, tailored for the Toradex SMARC development carrier board and optimized for automotive applications. With the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit, you get all the tools needed to run Android Automotive on the Toradex SMARC development carrier board. The toolkit combines three core components: a development-ready Android Automotive operating system, an Embedded SDK that provides direct access to hardware interfaces and adds capabilities beyond the standard Android SDK, and Update Factory for managing secure over-the-air updates and fleet operations. At the core of the toolkit is a development-ready Android Automotive operating system, optimized for the Toradex SMARC i.MX95 system on module and its development carrier board. Unlike generic demo images, it is built for real development, covering everything from bootloader to kernel to application layer. This provides a stable and consistent base, allowing developers to focus less on system bring-up and more on creating innovative applications. The OS also includes an installer and preloaded testing apps, enabling quick validation of hardware interfaces right after setup. Alongside the operating system, the toolkit also includes the Embedded SDK. It unlocks the full hardware potential of the Toradex SMARC i.MX95 and its carrier board, going beyond the standard Android SDK by giving developers direct access to interfaces such as I2C, CAN bus, display support, and wireless connectivity including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and audio. With ready-made sample apps and testing tools, developers can immediately interact with these features, combining intuitive Android development with precise control of the underlying hardware. The toolkit is completed with secure over-the-air updates and device management for the Toradex SMARC i.MX95 and its carrier board. Through Update Factory, developers can keep track of device health, diagnose problems remotely, and deliver anything from individual apps to complete system images with ease. This makes sure that every unit in the field stays reliable, consistent, and up-to-date. In partnership with Toradex, the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit delivers a complete platform that helps developers accelerate their work, reduce integration effort, and bring reliable automotive solutions to market faster. Thank you for joining us.